Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Fairlead is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in any off-road vehicle's recovery setup, especially when you're relying on the strength and flexibility of synthetic rope for winching operations. This seemingly simple piece of hardware acts as a vital intermediary, guiding your synthetic winch rope smoothly onto the drum, preventing excessive friction, and protecting both the rope and the winch from premature wear and tear. Without a properly designed and installed Fairlead, you risk damaging your expensive synthetic rope, compromising the integrity of your winch, and potentially facing a failed recovery when you need it most, making its selection a critical decision for any serious off-roader. Number 5. FIERYRED Synthetic Winch Rope 100 feet. Introducing the FIERYRED Synthetic Winch Rope, your ultimate companion for off-road adventures. This powerful rope is designed to get you out of any tough situation. Crafted from 12 strands of ultra-tough UHMWPE, it boasts a braking strength of 23,809 pounds. Unlike steel cables, it's lighter, stronger, and safer, storing no energy under stress. This comprehensive kit includes a 100 feet synthetic rope, a robust steel hook, and a Hawse Fairlead. It's compatible with most winches and Fairleads, ensuring a smooth recovery experience. Equipped with dual protective sleeves, it guards against UV, heat, and abrasion. A distinctive red heat guard alerts you to prevent overspooling, ensuring durability. Its anti-unravel design ensures it remains torque-free, minimizing twists and maintaining strength. This means it will reliably pull you out of tough spots for years to come. The kit features a steel hook with a safety latch and an aluminum alloy Hawse Fairlead. These robust accessories are built to withstand demanding conditions, backed by a solid warranty. What we like. This option offers exceptional strength and durability for serious off-roading. Its heavy-duty construction and complete kit with hook and Fairlead make it a reliable choice for recovery. If you frequently tackle challenging terrain or need a robust solution for your 4WD, ATV, UTV, or SUV, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Fairlead is well made and looks great on my winch. It's a perfect fit for my ATV and the synthetic rope runs smoothly through it. The roller design prevents rope fraying and extends the life of the rope. Number 4. Ucreative Aluminum Hawse Fairlead. Introducing the Ucreative Aluminum Hawse Fairlead, designed for your ATV. It's crafted from durable, forged 6063 aluminum and precisely CNC machined for a perfect fit. This essential accessory helps to protect your synthetic winch rope from unnecessary wear and tear. Ensure your winch line stays in top condition. With 4 7/8-inch, 124 mm, bolt centers, it's perfectly suited for ATVs with 2,000 to 3,500 pounds winches. Get reliable performance for your off-road adventures. Experience a smoother operation thanks to its larger, polished radius at the rope entry. This design allows your rope to glide effortlessly, preventing damage from sharp edges. Finished in a sleek, glossy black, this Fairlead not only performs exceptionally but also enhances the look of your ATV. It's a stylish and functional upgrade. Please note that bolts are not included with this Fairlead. You will need bolts that can be installed with an Allen wrench, and they may need to be longer than your stock bolts. What we like. This Fairlead is designed to safeguard your synthetic winch rope with its smooth, large radius. It's specifically made for lighter ATV winches. If you have a 2,000 to 3,500 pounds ATV winch and are looking to upgrade your Fairlead to prevent rope damage, this glossy black aluminum option is a great fit. What people say. This Fairlead is designed to work with synthetic rope, preventing fraying and wear. The roller Fairlead design ensures smooth operation and reduces friction when winching. It's made of durable aluminum, which is resistant to corrosion and rust. Number 3. Bunker INDUST 316x 50-foot synthetic winch rope kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for off-road recovery. It's an ideal replacement for most winches on ATVs, UTVs, SUVs, and 4x4 vehicles. Our synthetic winch rope is built with 12 braided Dyneema strands, offering an impressive 8,200 pounds braking strength. It's designed to withstand extreme conditions, even below -20 degrees Celsius, without kinking, curling, or splintering. Experience the superior strength of this rope over traditional steel cables. It's incredibly lightweight, floats in water, and is coated to resist water, rust, and UV damage, making it a safer choice. It features a durable nylon sleeve that protects against abrasion, sun, and corrosion. Additionally, a heat guard is included to shield it from excessive heat generated by the brake mechanism. The kit comes with a corrosion-resistant forged hook, a rubber stopper for shock absorption and protection, and a Fairlead to guard your winch rope. These accessories ensure longevity and safety. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for your winching needs, including a rope, Fairlead, hook, and stopper. Its lightweight, water-floating, and cold-weather performance make it versatile. If you're looking for a convenient and safe winch rope kit for your ATV, UTV, or SUV, especially if you operate in varied conditions, this orange option is ideal. What people say. This Fairlead is designed to work with synthetic rope, preventing chafing and wear. The roller Fairlead design ensures smooth operation and reduces friction when pulling. It is constructed from durable aluminum, offering corrosion resistance and longevity. Number 2. 10 Billet Polished Aluminum Hawse Fairlead. Crafted from high-quality billet aluminum, this accessory is built to last. It ensures durability and a premium finish for your vehicle. Designed to prevent binding and reduce damage, it significantly extends the life of your synthetic winch rope. Keep your ATV and UTV winches in top condition. Featuring a rounded, smooth edge, it allows your rope to glide effortlessly. This ensures a seamless and efficient winching experience every time. With a standard 10-inch bolt pattern, it's compatible with most winches. It supports load capacities ranging from 800 to 15,000 pounds. The package includes all necessary mounting hardware, screws, and nuts. Installation onto most bumpers is straightforward and hassle-free. Experience superior performance and longevity. This essential component safeguards your equipment and ensures reliable operation. What we like. Crafted from high-quality billet aluminum, this Fairlead is built to last and prevent your synthetic rope from binding. Its polished finish and robust construction are perfect for heavier winching applications. If you have a winch rated between 8,000 to 15,000 pounds and need a durable, stylish Fairlead for your bumper, this 10-inch black option is an excellent choice. What people say. This Fairlead is designed to work with synthetic rope, preventing fraying and wear. The roller Fairlead design ensures smooth operation and reduces friction when pulling. It's made of durable aluminum, which is resistant to corrosion and rust. Number 1. 10 Red Billet Aluminum Hawse Fairlead. Introducing our premium 10-inch Hawse Fairlead, designed for your off-road adventures. This essential accessory provides superior protection for your winch. Crafted from high-quality, solid billet aluminum with a vibrant anodized red finish, it's built to last. Experience durability and style combined. Engineered to handle demanding tasks, it supports synthetic winch ropes with a load capacity ranging from 8,000 to 15,000 pounds. Trust it for your heavy-duty needs. This Hawse Fairlead is specifically designed to safeguard your synthetic winch rope. It effectively prevents excessive wear, fraying, and tangling, ensuring longevity. Its standard 10-bolt mount ensures compatibility with most ATV and UTV synthetic winch ropes. Upgrade your vehicle's recovery system with ease. What we like. This Hawse Fairlead offers excellent protection for your synthetic winch rope, preventing wear and tangling with its smooth, high-quality billet aluminum construction. The striking red anodized finish adds a touch of style. If you're outfitting an ATV or UTV with a 10-inch mount and an 8,000 to 15,000 pounds winch, and want both function and a vibrant look, this red Fairlead is the one for you. What people say. The Fairlead is well constructed and feels very sturdy. It fits perfectly on my winch and the synthetic rope runs through it smoothly without any signs of wear. The design allows for easy installation and the roller guides are a nice touch, preventing rope fraying. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.